Hello, my internet friends. John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today I'm going to explain the basics of the Excel function if. The if function is used to return one value if a condition is true and another value if it is false. The if function has three arguments that are required. Logic test, this is what we are testing. Value if true, this is what will be displayed if our logic test is true. Value if false, this is what will be displayed if our logic test is false. In this example, we want to find if we stayed within budget using the projected budget and the actual budget values. To check if we stayed in budget, we will use the following formula. Equals if, open parentheses, A2 is greater than or equal to B2, comma, that is our logic test, double quote, in budget, double quote, this is the value if it is true, comma, double quote, over budget, double quote, and close parentheses. As you can see, the results in rows 3, 4, and 6 are in budget since the projected budget is less than or equal to the actual budget. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.